Hi friends, Marley here, and this is another very exciting day here in my garden because my garlic plants are ready for harvest. So we're gonna be harvesting this amazing garlic today. To know whether your garlic is ready for harvest, you have to look at the bottom part of the stem. If you have at least 2/3 of the plant that has turned yellow or brown, your garlic is ready for harvest. Now I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves that are already brown, and then the next one is yellow, and then the next one has also started turning yellow, and then as you can see, these leaves have turned yellow right here. So this is ready for harvest, and we're gonna be harvesting all of this garlic in this raised bed. Most of the time you can just hand pull the garlic, but I'm gonna be using a small hand garden fork in order to help me pull the garlic heads from the ground. So let's start right here. We have a few weeds, so I'm just gonna pull these weeds so you can see the garlic plants that I'm going to pull from the ground. Okay, so let's start with this one. Look at that, guys. This is so big. Isn't that amazing? Look at how big that is. So let's continue harvesting our garlic plants. So we have another one right here that we're going to harvest. Now just be gentle so that you don't poke the garlic with the fork. Right there. Let's get this next one. Wow. Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? I would say that garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow in your backyard garden because, oh, look at that, this is so big. Because after you've planted it, there's really not much to do. Just make sure that you mulch your garlic bed really good, because weeds are gonna find their way out of the raised bed or the ground where you're planting it, and the garlic plants don't like much competition. And then you're gonna need, oops, this one I broke it, so I'm gonna have to find that garlic head. Okay, it's right here. Now we don't want this garlic left in the ground because it's gonna grow back. I rotate the planting location of my plant, so next year it's not gonna be garlic in here anymore. It's gonna be something else. Okay, let's try this next one here. Oops, okay, all right. I hope I did not hit that garlic head. Here you go. Wow, these are some amazing garlic plants, guys. And to think that I planted this garlic in late January and early February. These are late garlic plantings because I didn't have time to plant them last fall. Ugh. Wow. Oh, look at that. We have a friend in here. A little worm. Oh, this is a pecan plant. Oh wow, look at that, guys. There is a carrot plant growing next to the garlic. Let's see if this one already has a considerable big amount. Oh, it's a small one, but actually you can eat this. Okay, garlic plus a carrot plant, not bad at all. This next one, let's see. Okay, not bad. So far we have 11 or 12 harvested. Let's continue harvesting. So let's pull this one here that's on the edge of the bed. Wow, look at that, guys. These plants are so super amazing. Now this is really big. Let's see if, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at that, look at that, look at how big this one is. This is just getting better and better, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get the next one. Oh my, wow. I'm just so amazed with these plants, and the secret to getting such big bulbs of garlic is taking care of the plants. Like, you need to feed the plant because garlic is a heavy feeder, and like a lot of people say, don't give too much nitrogen to the plant, but actually garlic loves nitrogen because the more leaves the garlic plant has, the better for the garlic plant to grow really healthy and like get that energy and store the energy in the bulbs like this. All right, so next one here. Now this is a smaller plant. Usually if the plant is smaller, the bulb is also smaller. Yeah, like this one here. But it's actually not bad at all. I mean, this is bigger than the garlic that I have seen at the grocery stores. Oh my gosh, this is really exciting, guys. This is very, very exciting. Okay, next. Oh my gosh. Oh, did you just see that other friend we have? Oh, this is a big friend too. Look at that. Wow. I have mentioned giving your garlic plants nitrogen, and you do that in the spring, not during the winter. And another important thing when growing, wow, okay, wow. And I saw this little friend here like grabbing the soil in the roots of the plant. So I was saying that, and I have a video on this, spring care for your garlic plant. So in the spring, give your garlic plants some nitrogen. I use a low nitrogen source. I don't use those really strong nitrogen sources, and I've always used fish fertilizer as a source of nitrogen. It is an organic source. It comes from fish, so that's organic, really awesome. And so that's what you do. Give the garlic plants fish fertilizer for a source of nitrogen. And then one very important thing is also during planting, you're gonna need to put a slow release organic fertilizer. I use a granular source of an organic slow release fertilizer, and that fertilizer needs to have NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in it, because your garlic plant will need not only nitrogen but also phosphorus and potassium for growing a healthy plant and a bigger bulb. Now this one right here on the side is relatively small, so you can tell from the size of that one, that's small, and then this is a big one, and that's a big plant. Let's continue harvesting, guys. Oh, this is really a very exciting day here. And let's get this one, medium-sized plant, usually medium-sized bulb. Those who are wondering what my location is, I am in Zone 7, Kentucky, and some people get confused because I say I'm from Kentucky and my channel is called Gardening in Kentucky, but I say I'm in Zone 7. Yes, I am in Zone 7A. Most of Kentucky is Zone 6. I believe they're in Zone 6B. But we are in the southwestern part. We're close to Tennessee. We're close to Illinois. Somewhere right there. So it's really, you know, our planting season is a little bit different from the rest of Kentucky. But no, the difference is not that much because we're on 7A and the rest of Kentucky is, I believe, in 6B, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let's get this one, guys. Wow, like this is just amazing me. Like, I'm super duper excited with this harvest. Look at this one. So one thing we've learned today is the bigger the plant is, the bigger the bulb that you can get. So you need to take care of the plant. Make sure you give the plant enough fertilizer to grow its leaves, and in turn the plant will grow bigger garlic bulbs. I'm finally done harvesting all of the garlic in this raised bed, and look at that, guys. I put them on the side so you can see how beautiful they are. Good size bulbs, and I am so impressed with the biggest sized bulb that I got from this harvest. Like this one right here, look at that. And no, this is not the biggest yet. This one is the biggest. That's my hand, and that's how big that garlic is. And then we have this as the runner-up, and this one is about the same size as the second head of garlic. So all in all, we have harvested a total of 96 garlic bulbs from an 8x4 raised bed. Isn't that amazing? And these plants were started at the end of January and early February just this year. Super duper amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.